the writing style somehow didn't reflect Prajakta a lot in it. Predictive कि हाँ ये सब तो होगा ही. In today's video, we are talking about a book whose writer I am in love with because I've been following her for a very long time and she's kind of my inspiration for starting this YouTube channel as well. And the book title is Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kole. To begin with, I am a big fan of Prajakta. I love the way she carries herself, how her journey has been from a YouTuber to an actor to now eventually a writer. When I got to know that she's launching a book, let me tell you that I pre-ordered this book and I was so thrilled to read what Prajakta would be writing because I like her style. I like her style. I like the way she talks. I like the way she's honest about the things she understands. Now, I got the book. Basically, the book is a romance fiction, and my expectation with the romance books is something like, something that makes you, which gives you a little bit of butterflies when you're reading them, something which is slightly unpredictable, something which is not so obvious that you see in the world around you or probably in your own relationships. So when I was reading this book, I had the same kind of expectations, and I was, of course, assuming that, it will have some comic element because Prajakta is writing and she is known for comedy. And this is not really a thin book, right? This is around 310 pages. When I'm reading something of 310 pages, I do want something interesting in it. And somehow that didn't happen in this book. It is written in a very predictive way. The characters are the way you would expect somehow them to be. Nothing like, extraordinary is happening. And the writing style somehow didn't reflect Prajakta a lot in it. Of course, there are the scenes where you would see the female character in the book sounding like Prajakta, but those parts are very less, I would say. There could have been more descriptions. There could have been more details to those parts, which will make it more relatable. The whole scene of meeting that guy and then talking to him, falling in love, everything just sounded very predictive. कि हाँ ये सब तो होगा ही. So somehow the predictability in the book didn't make me feel the best about it. And talking about, do I recommend this book? Probably not. I'm so sorry, but probably not. Even as a big fan, I would probably not recommend you to read this book if you have read better romance fictions in the past. And if you haven't read many romance fiction, if you're a beginner, then of course this works out well for you because you don't have much experience. And as a beginner, this is a good book to start with. Easy language, easy description of the scenes, not much layering. Please do share me in the comments if you have a different opinion around this book. Am I the only one who's feeling this way, or there are more people who are feeling the same way? Thank you so much for watching this video. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because, as Prajakta would also say, this is free. Please subscribe.